Most people get workout apps wrong by assuming they all give the same results, but Stronger by the Day takes a unique approach. Here's my honest review based on using it for several weeks. Stronger by the Day is a strength training app that creates personalized programs based on your fitness level and goals. The surprising truth is how adaptive it is. Your workout plan evolves automatically as you progress, adjusting weight, reps, and rest times to keep you challenged without risking injury. The app focuses on compound lifts, functional strength, and proper technique. Each exercise includes clear video demonstrations, which is incredibly helpful if you're new to lifting. Most people get this wrong by skipping warm-up or mobility guidance, but Stronger by the Day integrates both to reduce the risk of injury. Tracking progress is seamless. You log your workouts, and the app graphs your strength gains over time. It also includes reminders, streak tracking, and notes, so you can keep motivated. A minor downside is that it requires a subscription to unlock the full program library, but the free version still gives you access to basic workouts. The app is suitable for home gyms and commercial gyms alike, and you can scale programs to dumbbells, barbells, or body weight only. Another advantage is the community aspect. Users share tips and progress, which adds a layer of accountability. In conclusion, Stronger by the Day is perfect for anyone serious about strength training who wants structured, progressive, and safe workouts. Its adaptive programs, detailed exercise demos, and tracking features make it more than just a basic fitness app. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews so you can choose the best tool for your goals.